Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are new, I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. This video is a declutter and organize the master bathroom. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started.
You're gone, I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this?
Here is the befores, and I didn't want to pre-tidy because I want to be real and true with y'all.
Never call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is.
As you can see, my husband's in this clip and he'll be in a lot more. So I want to go ahead and give y'all a little intro for him. His name is Adrian and we have been married for 9 years. We have 4 beautiful children together.
But you never call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse.
When organizing drawers, I find it easier just to go ahead and take everything out, go ahead, give it a good wipe down, and then start placing things back in there.
Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you hit me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you.
I want to go ahead and clarify what you're seeing in this clip. My husband is taking and refolding all of our towels and rolling them up, and I'm placing them in that cabinet.
Is that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You
couple clips. It's my husband videoing this. I wanted you to go ahead and comment below and tell me how'd you like it.
What you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing.
Here's the after, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell when more videos coming up. And I will add that this video was recorded a couple weeks ago and it's been going great, but be on the lookout for a new video of the master bathroom.
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me